In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable full screen mode on Google Meet. If you're looking for a clearer view during your online meetings or you just want to minimize distractions, going full screen can really help. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by opening up your web browser and going to meet.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see the Google Meet homepage staring back at you. If you haven't signed in already, you may need to log into your Google account. So make sure you've got that ready to go. Next, you're going to click on the New Meeting button. This action begins the process of setting up a new Google Meet session. You'll notice a few options appear. Click on Start an Instant Meeting. This instantly sets up a meeting room for you, and you'll be transported into your Google Meet window. This feature is incredibly useful if you're in a hurry or if you need to connect with someone quickly without setting up a scheduled meeting. Now that you're in the meeting window, you'll want to look towards the bottom right-hand corner. There you'll spot an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is your More Options menu. Go ahead and click on that. As the menu opens up, you'll see a variety of options to adjust your meeting settings. What's important for us today is the full screen option. Click on full screen, and your meeting window will expand to fill your entire screen. This mode allows for better focus by hiding the browser's address bar and any other open tabs you might have in the background. If at any point you decide you need to leave full screen mode, you have a couple of quick options. The easiest way is to simply press the escape key on your keyboard. This action will immediately take you out of full screen, returning you to your previous view with all of your browser tabs and toolbars back in sight. Alternatively, you can return to the More Options menu by clicking on the 3 dots in the corner again. This time you'll want to select Exit Full Screen from the options. This method is just as effective, and it might be your preferred choice if you're already navigating through the menu for other settings. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily switch your Google Meet window in and out of full screen mode, giving you more control over your virtual meeting space. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your Google Meet experience more seamless and productive.